To demonstrate the procedure for removing and refitting the stud assembly. First we remove the stud rod cap. We loosen the nut. Okay. The stabilizer bar end. We remove the ABS wire lock and remove the lower. Loosen the two nuts at the lower of the stud assembly. Remove that thing and we take it out. Just take the stud compressor. The jaws are the biggest jaws, and we fix the stud assembly into the jaw. We adjust the nut, and we can fix the socket. Tighten the spring compressor, stud compressor, fill the top portion of the stud. It's loose. Loosen the nut. Remove the parts slowly and carefully and arrange them in the order of removal. While removing the stud rod, care should be taken that the shaft does not touch the spring or the special tool. Okay. Now the inspection. We check the stud for compression and rebound. We check for oil leakage and shake. If the shaft is bent, if the threads are damaged, and if the locks for ABS wire and link rod are damaged. We check the lower seat is okay, not deformed or worn out or cracked. We also check rebound stopper if it is not worn, cracked or deformed. We check the dust cover. We check the grooves if it is cracked, cut or damaged or distorted. We check the bearing plate, upper seat. If the seat is okay, deformation is not there. We check the bearing for sound, for free movement, if there is enough grease in the bearing. We check the bearing plate if it is not damaged. We check the stud support if it is not damaged, if the hole is correct and there is no crack or deformation. We check the nut for the thread and it is found okay. While removing the stud rod, we check the compression of the spring and we find it is at 25 centimeters. This will help us while refitting the strut assembly back in the special tool. Okay, we check the spring. We check the spring for deformation. There is crack or damage and wear and tear. All these are found okay, and we start to reassemble the strut assembly. Reassembling the strut. Be careful for the strut rod not to touch the There's a bearing. The bearing plate. And we tighten the upper nut. Using a crowfoot spanner, we tightened the nut with the help of Allen key, locking the strut shaft. Torque is 50 Newton meter. Okay. We slowly loosen the strut compressor, and the strut will come back to the original position. More loosening needs to be done, and we remove the strut. We check the installation assembly. Spring seat is okay, a lower seat is okay, the upper seating is okay, nut is tightened to 50 Newton meter. Bump stop, dust boot is fitted properly. Now we can refit the strut onto the vehicle. We fit the strut and we fix the bolt head coming onto the front side. Nut has to be replaced. Both the nuts have to be replaced. We fix the link rod nut, and we fix the upper nut. This nut has to be replaced. This nut has to be replaced once it is removed. After refixing the strut, we tighten and torque the nut to 90 Newton meter. And this is the procedure for strut removal and refixing.